Hey guys, I'm Shawn Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. How are you doing? We're going to do Come On, Eileen today from the 80s. Let's take a listen to it. And then fun song, fun stuff. Remember that one? Guys, I'm started the 80s lead sheet lessons on my website. For $1, you can try it out. Did 2 other awesome 80s songs today that went on the list as well. Also have a 90s lead sheet category as well. So fun stuff to play from chord sheets. And, sometimes, as I'm doing these chords sheets here and writing in the letters, making my own chord sheets, I think sometimes it's necessary to show you some licks that are in there. So occasionally I will write to the side here on these for particular things that are, maybe of interest for those of you who are gigging and, want this. If you're going to start this song and do it at a gig, you really want this intro here, okay? So I'm going to show you that here. So we start with C, all right? And that's not written up here, but I'm just showing you C, bop, 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 okay? And the left hand's going to do that every time. If it's too hard to do here, then that's fine. You can just do one note. You can get by, but C, 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 C. All right, now we're going to go to F, and I'm going to play F-A-C on the right. And once we get to the verse, we are going to look at just chords. But let's learn this intro. C, D, then E, G, C, left hand on a C. Hey, if you got a keyboard, try to find a cool, upright piano sound that has, a little edge to it. Would be cool for this. All right, leave some space. Okay. So this was an F chord, this was a C chord. All right, so for this part, E flat, A, C, left hand on an F. Then you go to D. So bop, bop. Then we go to F, D, F, C. As you do that, left hand will play a B flat. That's a B flat chord. The C was just a accented accented tone there before the B flat. Then an F. Now let's go back and put it together. Again, if you can't do all those left-hand notes, just go. Sounds just fine. Then we have D flat, G, B flat, left hand on a B flat octave. You have an option there. You can do F in the middle or G. I like G better. I gotta scroll here. C, F, A on the right, left hand on an F. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you something here. I started making my own chord sheets because when you get on the internet, they're just all wrong, aren't they? And yeah, even people say, well, go to this site. They're usually they're good. But no, they're still not good. They're not exactly, the chords aren't exactly where they need to go. If they are the right chords in the first place, they aren't in the right place. And I like them to be accurate, So I've been making my own, and that's why I've written this out. So after you do an F chord, C, F, A, okay, F, B flat, C, left hand on a C, and I'm actually going to add a note here, E, G, B flat, C, and then I'm going to go D, F, B flat, C, whoops, typo, that should be an E, okay, so make that an E for me, I'll try to fix that, so when you download it on the side, it'll be the right thing. Okay, I like to put a G on those. G, F, G. Okay, so let's do the whole deal here. And if you're wondering what the other 2 songs were that I did on the 80s lead sheets, they were, see if I can remember, Danger Zone, okay, Top Gun, Tom Cruise, okay, Kenny Loggins, Highway to the Danger Zone, that one's on there. And then I did, Toto. Rosanna. Rosanna. Okay, so Rosanna's on there. And then the 90s is great. Those are cool too. I love doing both of those. Those decades are really fun decades. All right, so here we go from the beginning. Bop, 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 bop. and then I had that kind of covered up. But that's that beginning there. All right, guys, we will finish it on the website. I'll show you with the chords and the other 2 songs, as well as the 90s, and more to come on those. I'm having so much fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Talk to you later.